Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy A42 and let me show you how to reset network preferences on this device. So first of all, let's open the list of apps and find the settings, and here we have to tap on General Management. On the third position we've got Reset Options, and as you can see right in the middle we've got Reset Network Settings, so let's tap on it. Now your device is telling you that it will reset all network settings including Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth, so if you're ready, tap on Reset Settings. If you've got a pattern or a pin, then enter it to confirm. And now your device is telling you that this operation cannot be undone, so if you're ready, tap on Reset again. And as you can see, the network settings have been reset successfully. So actually that's all. This is how to reset network preferences in your Samsung Galaxy A42. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.